Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard products, number 413BR. This is a piece of solid architectural bronze material. Some people call it brass or bronze. The technical term or the industry term is architectural bronze. It's an amalgamation of different metals to make it like brass, but more appropriate for use in architectural hardware or door hardware applications such as weather stripping. This is the 413, and that specifically gives an explanation of the profile of the item. This is a saddle type threshold. This is specifically 4-inch wide and 1/4-inch tall. The BR is going to mean solid architectural bronze, and this is specifically in the satin finish, which I'll show you better in a moment. 4-inch wide, and it's heavy. It weighs almost 2 pounds per foot. 1/4-inch rise. There's the satin finish. Now you're going to be able to get this in mill, which is what the underside really looks like. Satin, which is the mill with a nice consistent brushed finish on it. You'll be able to get this from National Guard as polished brass. They call it polished brass, but it would be this but polished. And then also an oil rubbed bronze can be done on this as well, and some other custom finishes that are possible. This is a saddle type threshold. If you use your imagination, it looks like a saddle. This is very appropriately used in those installations where you are requiring solid architectural bronze for either the purposes of someone just simply wanting the most durable, longest lasting piece of threshold that is available. There might be applications where you need bronze to match bronze doors, and only bronze will match bronze doors perfectly. You might have an application where somebody is just saying, cost is no object, I want the best. Or something that is going to be, like I said earlier, very long lasting. I have seen solid bronze thresholds that are installed after decades of use, and the material is so significantly durable that it's appropriate for that sort of long-term application. It's not uncommon to use them in residential applications, but it's atypical given the cost, really, of the material. You're going to see solid bronze thresholds on the front of city hall buildings, on the front of museums, places like that. You know, applications in those sorts of scenarios is where you'll see architectural bronze. And one nice thing about National Guard is that they have a comprehensive offering of different profiles of this solid architectural bronze material. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, where you'll be able to review many of the other architectural bronze, if not all of them actually, thresholds from National Guard, in addition to aluminum-based material as well that is a similar profile. With this saddle type threshold, you can do wider, 5-inch, 6-inch, 7-inch, 8-inch. You can do 1/2-inch tall in wider widths as well. This happens to be a 3-foot piece. You're certainly going to want to order the proper size, meaning if you have a need for a custom length, by all means order the next longest piece and then indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to ship the material out at. Now the reason is, especially if you have anything other than mill finish, satin, polished, oil rubbed, you don't want to cut that in the field. You're going to get less than factory original results on that cut. If you've got oil rubbed bronze, when you cut that will be exposed material there, and it will not match. That would be something that would be oil rubbed as well on the end. It may be completely unnecessary to even discuss it because it'll probably bury into the side of the frame anyway, but not in all of these profiles would that be the case. So if you ordered a custom length, we'd not only cut it to length, the finish will look good. Polished brass, you're not going to want to cut that. It looks so nice. You won't even want to, you'll put gloves on before you even touch it because it looks so nice. Cut it to the proper length, but more importantly is we're going to have the factory do these dimples or countersinks for the screws, which are included, by the way. If you had to take this 36-inch piece and cut it down to 32-inch, you're going to eliminate that countersink. You'll be stuck drilling another one. Then your centers will be off, and they really won't look very nice whatsoever. So that is, quite frankly, a significant reason as to why to go about ordering it. Let the factory do all the work, get it right the first time. I mean, you're obviously going to need to possibly cope around the bottom of the frame, but the less handling you do on a finished piece of hardware like this, in my opinion, the better. You're going to use a 4x1/4 in typical applications where you require certainly an ADA compliant sort of access point for the door, this being 1/4 inch rise, 1/4 inch total height I should say, is completely ADA compliant. This is also fire rated, okay, available in several different lengths, everywhere from 2 foot out to 8 foot. You can order any length that you need. It's really just sold per foot. That would be another reason not to order more than what you need. Don't order a 60-inch piece if you're going to cut it down to 47-inch, that kind of thing. That link to the product brochure is handy, but there's even at least as equal a handy link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up the full-line National Guard catalog and review all things weather stripping from National Guard. Not only fairly uncommon thresholds like this and made of solid bronze or brass, but material made of aluminum, stainless steel, perimeter gasketing, door sweeps. They have a comprehensive offering of steel vision frames for use in both wood and metal doors. If you have any questions on the National Guard, number 413 BR, solid architectural bronze or solid brass, 4x1/4 inch threshold, or any other National Guard product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.